The ability to restore Exchange Online email is vital for recovering important communications and maintaining business continuity after data loss. Backup Exec can help by providing reliable email backups and quick restoration, ensuring critical emails are retrievable in case of accidental deletion, cyber threats, and compliance requests. Let's review how to restore an Exchange mail message. To recover Microsoft Exchange Online, we will select Backup and Restore, highlight our Microsoft 365 tenant, and select Restore. We'll highlight Exchange Online and click Next. We have two options, Exchange Online backups to point in time and Exchange Online backups from backup sets. We'll select Backup Sets and click Next. Here we'll make our selections for recovery. We'll go ahead and drill down to our most recent full, and then we'll find our user's mailbox and continue to drill down until we reach the messages that we'd like to recover. Here we're going to recover these two messages, and we'll go ahead and click Next. On this screen, we have the ability to configure options for the recovery. We have the ability to increase the number of parallel streams that are used during the restore. We have the ability to skip if the item exists or to overwrite the item if it already exists. And then we have a few recovery options on where we would like to restore the data. We can restore the data back to the same mailbox. We can restore the data to a different mailbox. And you also have the ability to recover the message to a PST. So we'll go ahead and click Next as we're going to recover to the same mailbox. Here we have the option to apply pre and post commands. We also have the ability to configure notifications to be notified of when this job completes. This screen gives us the ability to rename this job. It also gives us the ability to schedule this job. So this job can either run now or it can run on a schedule. We're going to select Run Now and click Next. The last screen gives us a summary of what items will be recovered. We'll go ahead and click Finish. Now we'll go to Job Monitor, and we can see the status of our job. Our restore has completed. We'll now go to our Outlook, and we can see that those two items have been recovered. Thank you for watching. For more information or to download a free trial of Backup Exec, please visit arcterra.io/backup-exec.